I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use Backtrack on your Apple Watch Ultra. To begin, ensure your watch is updated to the latest operating system for optimal performance. Backtrack is a powerful safety feature, especially useful when hiking or exploring unfamiliar territory. It records your route, allowing you to easily find your way back to your starting location, providing peace of mind during your outdoor activities. This can be a lifesaver in challenging environments. Activating Backtrack is straightforward. First, open the Compass application directly on your Apple Watch Ultra. Next, locate and tap the Backtrack icon, which resembles two small footprints. You will then be prompted to confirm that you wish to begin recording your path. Once confirmed, your watch will immediately start logging your precise route using its advanced GPS capabilities, ready for when you need to retrace your steps. When you are ready to return to your starting point, simply open the Compass application once more. Tap the Backtrack icon again, and this time, select the option to retrace path. Your Apple Watch Ultra will then display a clear arrow on the screen, pointing you in the correct direction, along with a distance indicator. Follow these visual cues, and your watch will precisely guide you back along the exact route you previously recorded, ensuring a safe return. For the best experience with Backtrack, always ensure your Apple Watch Ultra has ample battery life before starting your journey, as continuous GPS usage consumes power. This feature performs optimally in open environments with a strong, clear GPS signal. Remember, you can pause and resume recording your path if you need a break. While Backtrack is incredibly helpful, always remain aware of your surroundings and use it as a valuable aid, not your sole navigation tool.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.